Hello everyone, I am Engine Cadet Ligason.
And I am Engine Cadet Tueco.
And I'm Engine Cadet Caballero.
And I am Engine Cadet Toico.
And today, we have an exciting video presentation in store for you. We'll be diving into 4 different topics.
First, introduction to physics. Second, measuring and conversion of units.
And the third one is kinematics.
And the fourth and the last one is the force and motions.
Introduction to physics. Welcome to the world of physics. We unravel the secrets of the universe, from the smallest particles to vast cosmos. Physics, the language of the nature. Physics, just a subject, it's a way of thinking, unlocking the wonders of the cosmos. Get ready to think big questions, everything, and embark on an adventure that stretches from the microscopic to the infinite. Branches of physics. Classical physics, mechanics, kinematics, dynamics, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, atomic physics, biophysics, chemical physics, cryogenics, fluid physics.
Measurement and conversion of units. So what is measurement? Measurement is a process of quantifying physical quantities such as length, time, mass, temperature, and etc. using tools and methods. In physics, accurate measurement is crucial for the understanding and study of various phenomena. Conversion of units. So what is conversion of units? Conversion of units involves changing a movement from one unit to another. For example, to convert a length measurement from centimeters to meters, you would use the conversion factor 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So if you have 200 centimeters, you would multiply it by the conversion factor 200 centimeter times 1 meter over 100 centimeter to obtain the equivalent measurement in meters, which is 2 meters.
Hi, I'm Cadet Toico. Welcome to our video presentation on kinematics. Today, we will explore the fundamental concept of kinematics and how it helps us understand the behavior and characteristics of moving objects. Kinematics. What is kinematics? Kinematics is a branch of physics that studies the motion of objects without considering the forces cause of the motion. It involves analyzing concepts of position, velocity, and acceleration to describe and understand the movement of the object. Fundamental principles of kinematics encompassing concepts like position, displacement, velocity, and acceleration and time. This principle is the foundation for describing and analyzing motion in kinematics. Equations derived from this concept help quantity and predict the behavior of objects as they move through the space and time. Serves as the bedrock for understanding and predicting motion. These principles are not merely theoretical, they have profound application that shape our technological. We use the concept like position, velocity, and acceleration to analyze the car's location changes over time, how fast it's moving, and whether it's speeding or slowing down, all without delving into a specific force involved in its motion.
Forces and motions. Forces and motions are fundamental concepts in physics. Forces. These are pushes, pulls that can change the state of motion of an object. Forces have both magnitude and direction. Common types include gravitational, electromagnetic, and frictional forces. Motion describes the movement of an object in terms of displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Newton's law of motions are fundamental principles governing the relationship between forces and motion. First, law of inertia. object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted by an external weight force. Second law, the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting upon it and inversely proportional to its mass. Third law and the last law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Once again, I am Engine Cadet Toyko.
And I'm Engine Cadet Caballero.
And I am Engine Cadet Tueco.
And I am Engine Cadet Ligason.
And that's all, thank you.
Second law, the acceleration of an object will actually itself out.
Introduction to Physics. Welcome to the world of physics. Anak, pwede mo anak? Welcome to the world of physics, where I unravel the secret of the...
So, what is physics? Let's take it.
Ano ba kung natin? Sana man